This is a short video about the Federal Aviation Administration's Noise Policy Review. It describes how you can submit a comment. Black text signifies what is being covered by this video, while gray text signifies what is covered in other videos in the series. This video explains how you can submit a comment. The Federal Register notice concerning the Noise Policy Review is available at the link presented on this slide and dialog box below. You can submit comments online or in writing. A constructive, detailed comment that clearly communicates and supports its claims is more likely to have an impact on regulatory decision-making. The FAA uses www.regulations.gov to collect and store written comments to ensure that all comments received are available for public review, all commenters have equal access to the system, and all comments are provided in the commenter's own words, and there's no potential for accidental transcription errors. To submit a comment in writing, please refer to the instructions in the Noise Policy Review Federal Register Notice. To submit a comment online, first navigate to the Noise Policy Review Federal Register Notice webpage via the link provided in the previous slide. Once you have navigated to the webpage, click the comment button to access the comment form. After clicking the comment button, the comment form for the Noise Policy Review Federal Register Notice will appear. To complete the form, fill out the fields in the form, which include the comment you would like to submit, what the comment is about, any attachments you would like to include with your comment, your email address, and if you are submitting a comment as an individual, organization, or would wish to do so anonymously. Note, only the comment and who you are submitting a comment as fields are required to actually submit a comment. To finalize and submit your comment, check the box to complete the reCAPTCHA verification and click the Submit Comment button at the bottom of the form. Thank you for watching this video on how to submit a comment.